Let me introduce you to the CourseData Course Performance Report System. This is a process which helps faculty to measure, document, and to evaluate the performance of a course. At the end of the semester, or perhaps in a periodic fashion, a report request is sent out by the administrator of the system. This request is assigned to an instructor, and the instructor becomes an author of the report. Next, the report is then sent out to the program director, who approves the report, and it's stored then in the course data system. There are reports which can be then produced for a review for the department. Now, this might be a set of new instructors who will be teaching the course in the future, or an accreditation body which wants to see an ongoing course improvement process. So let's take a quick look at how this happens in the system. First, we have a design of the system. The template for the process is very simple. We have the instructor and then the program director as the actors. Of course, we can add additional ones, perhaps the whole department for informational purposes, or perhaps an assistant to the director. Any of these steps can be very flexible. The instructor will be asked to provide certain managed data. So these are database fields which can be later reported on. They can be graphed and so forth. So these are the database fields. At the same time, there's also an attachment that goes along with the submission. So when the program director reviews the data, he can also then attach a version with corrections. And here's a sample of what this document would look like. Faculty would provide information about recommendations which they have captured prior to teaching the course. Perhaps this would be from the copy of a previous semester report, what they've applied to the course, what worked, what didn't work, and what the recommendations are for the future. The grade distribution would help us to have some numerical data to show the performance of the course, and then of course some insightful reflections at the end. So this would be a template of the document which the instructor submits. Now, once the report is in the workflow process, email is the tool which then reminds folks to complete the report, and when a step is completed, who should take care of the next step. So let's take a quick look at a report that is in the works, or actually one that has already been completed. So this would be in the archive section here. And to preview this report, all right, we can see that faculty members submitted the report, the administrator approved, and then we have data available. The attachments can be re-downloaded, and when the next report is submitted, of course, the previous ones can be considered, and especially when it comes to the future recommendation from a previous report, there's continuity that will be kept. Well, thank you very much for previewing the course performance report system, and I hope that you've enjoyed this.